Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into the plane that will change travel forever. From silent electric power to mind-blowing speed and smart safety tech, this aircraft is set to transform how we fly. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your hands right now. Aviation Alice is an innovative all-electric commuter aircraft designed to transform short-distance regional travel with cleaner and quieter aviation technology. Developed by the Israeli company Aviation, the sleek aircraft features a modern composite airframe, advanced fly-by-wire controls, and two powerful electric motors mounted at the rear. Alice can carry up to 9 passengers along with 2 crew members, making it ideal for regional routes of around 400 to 800 kilometers. Its electric propulsion system significantly reduces carbon emissions and operating costs compared with traditional turboprop planes. The aircraft completed its first successful flight test in 2022, marking a major milestone towards sustainable air transport. The Avio 810 is a next-generation hybrid electric regional aircraft designed to revive short-distance air travel with greater efficiency and lower environmental impact. It is planned to seat between 76 and 88 passengers and offer a range of about 500 nautical miles. For very short routes, under 100 nautical miles, the aircraft can operate fully on battery power during taxi, takeoff, and landing. On longer journeys, 4 wing-mounted Pratt & Whitney Canada turboprops act as range extenders. This approach reduces fuel consumption, emissions, and operating costs compared with older regional jets. With modern cabin comfort and strong airline interest, it targets early 2030 entry into service. The NASA N3X aircraft concept is a futuristic blended-wing airliner designed to deliver extraordinary aerodynamic efficiency and drastically lower environmental impact. Developed as part of NASA's research into next-generation aviation technologies, the design promises more than 70% reduction in fuel consumption compared with conventional large jets. Its innovative propulsion system uses liquid hydrogen-powered generators located near the wingtips to drive superconducting electric motors. These motors spin multiple distributed fans along the rear of the aircraft, producing quiet and efficient thrust. The wide-lifting body design also allows steep, short-field approaches that could reduce airport congestion. The N3X vision highlights how electrified propulsion may transform sustainable commercial flight. The Daher TBM 980 is one of the fastest single-engine turboprop aircraft in the world, offering impressive performance and advanced technology for modern business aviation. It cruises at speeds of up to 330 knots while delivering exceptional efficiency compared with light jets. The aircraft features Garmin G3000 Prime avionics, highlighted by 3 large 14-inch touchscreen displays that provide intuitive control and enhanced situational awareness for pilots. Powered by the reliable PT6E66XT engine, producing around 850 horsepower and paired with a 5-blade FATEC propeller, the TBM 980 offers a range of approximately 1,730 nautical miles. Additional comforts include Starlink connectivity, USB-C charging at every seat, and emergency auto-land safety support. Horizon Aircraft's Cavorite X7 represents a bold step toward the future of hybrid electric aviation. The Canadian-designed aircraft can carry 1 pilot and 6 passengers on missions of up to 800 kilometers, while reaching speeds near 450 kilometers per hour. Its innovative wing system hides 14 electric fans that enable quiet vertical takeoffs and landings from compact areas such as helipads. Once airborne, the fans retract, allowing efficient forward flight powered by a rear pusher propeller and turbo generator. This design reduces emissions by roughly 30% compared with conventional planes. Ideal for medical evacuation, cargo transport, disaster response, and low-noise operations, the X7 achieved a stable wing-borne transition flight in 2025. The Airidge A868 is a futuristic concept aircraft designed to combine advanced aerodynamics with next-generation hybrid propulsion technology. Built with a lightweight composite structure and a sleek blended wing body, the aircraft aims to deliver high efficiency, extended range, and reduced environmental impact. Engineers envision the A868 as a versatile platform capable of carrying passengers, cargo, or performing special missions such as surveillance and emergency response. Its propulsion system is expected to integrate electric assist with a fuel-efficient turbine, helping lower fuel consumption and noise levels. With intelligent flight controls and modern avionics, the Airidge A868 reflects the growing global shift towards sustainable, high-performance aviation solutions. The Quarterhorse Mk2.1 is an advanced experimental drone designed to push the boundaries of high-speed flight and challenge the legacy of the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. Significantly larger and heavier than the earlier Mk1 prototype that first flew in May 2025, this sleek delta-wing aircraft is powered by a modified Pratt & Whitney F100 engine equipped with an innovative inlet pre-cooler system. It successfully completed its maiden subsonic flight on March 2, 2026, launching from Spaceport America over the White Sands Missile Range. The mission marked an important milestone in validating rapid development techniques. Engineers now aim to use the data to accelerate progress toward the hypersonic Mk3, targeting future speeds approaching Mach 5.